If you are a business owner or entrepreneur or a decision maker, and you wish always you had a project management function which will going to give you the exact visibility to execute your functions faster, better, and in the more efficient way, then this video is for you. Hi, this is Manjunath, a program manager putting 2 decades of experience in the complex business environment. I have come up with one simple model which will going to help you, one, to put your time, energy, and resources where they are most effective. Two, to give you the exact roadmap to execute your operations very effectively without firefighting on daily basis to address the issues that which are cropping up across your functions. Three, you will be exactly in control by knowing what and all the risk that whatever you will going to face during your execution processes. That is through the risk mitigation. Present you a simple format how it will going to help you in performing your job and enabling your employees to really put their best effort to realize the benefit of your business. I'm a coach for the entrepreneurs and the MSME business owners, and carries 2 decades of experience. What I am offering over here is the project management structure. If you don't have a structure in place, it can be done in 2 ways. One is I'm going to do it for you, and the second thing is I'll be training your team to implement these all the things and put a structure in place for your smooth and an efficient execution. The second one sounds better, right? Okay, and the second thing is like I'll be giving you the ready template, like how to really give, provide, and make a roadmap for your execution, irrespective whether you are there in the service industry or in the product industry. And the third thing is the risk mitigation structure. That will be like what and all the knowledge you have got about your job can be captured, and based on your previous experiences, what and all has already happened can be put in place to avoid them or to reduce the likelihood of that occurrence of those events. And the last one will be the very high level portfolio view. That will be something like your business model review and the MIS system implementation. This sounds good for you guys. You can always reach out to me at pmservice.mk@gmail.com. And I'll be presenting you the roadmap. What is the roadmap is all about? This project management implementation roadmap is of around 20 weeks program, wherein in the week one we'll be feeding in all the data which is not confidential for your business in the form of activities, and chunking out all the minute informations and collating it into the structured project management schedules. This is the planning part, guys. So after once we plan in that, where you can implement or collate all the projects which are already running into your organizations. So once you have collected the data in the like week 3 and week 6, we'll be presenting your entire pipeline and how, and what's it how it looks like actually, to along with what and all the risk the team has already identified for you guys, and the issue to then this entire presentation I'm going to give it to you, to give cut through the noise and convey you like where actually you need to put your the main 3 important things, which is time, energy, and your resources to reap the maximum benefit out of your existing business. And in the week 7 and 12, wherein we are actually diving into the implementation of this entire MIS system, which will going to start with fixing the actually what is the milestones, how your entire program looks like, and what are the milestones, what are the key deliverables that you guys are looking for, and what and all the activities involved into it, and the stakeholders. And along with the stakeholders, we'll be agreeing upon something called SLAs, that is nothing but the service level agreement. How much time they are going to complete that specific activity, or the milestone completion, or the key deliverable. And then you will be having one escalation matrix in the form of called RACI matrix. It is technically called, that is nothing but the person who is responsible to doing the activity, and the second is who is accountable for the activity, and third is who should be concerted for the activity, and the fourth one is who need to be informed about this activity. This and all will be done for every activity, so that you need not break your head for the work allotment on daily basis. And the second part is like you need the tools now. Which and all tools I'm going to use is like I am a tool expert called MSP. It is the Microsoft Projects and the Power BI. These two, if you can afford to get it as a project management tools, then it is really great because they're going to give you really the very good benefit out of your investments. And if you don't want to do it, it can be done in the other ways that we can discuss when I'll get in touch with you in our one-to-one sessions. There can be workarounds which will be much cheaper if you don't want to go for this expensive licensed versions of MSP and the Power BI. And the last is we'll be integrating this MSP and Power BI and slicing and dicing the data to meet your precise output that what you are looking for. Guys, here what we're going to do is we're going to humanize your data in the form of precise pie charts wherein you get multiple options that how you would like to see it and what and all you would like to see into it can be inculcated, and the picture, a big picture, can be completed with the greatest visibility and the accuracy. And the last part, when we do this, all the things in between 13 to 20 weeks, I'll be going to give you the 4 demos at which will be positioned bi-weekly to give you the exactly what and all we have put across your function, how that is really helping you to cut through the noise, and what are the efforts, time and resources you have put in, how those are performing to give you the exact numbers that what you are opting your business to produce. Sounds interesting. So I really look forward you guys to meet in person to explain in detail, and you can reach out to me for one-to-one consultation of 30 minutes, wherein below this video I have kept the links. You can click the link and register so that I'll be more than happy to connect with you to add value to your business. Guys, last but not the least, the project management function is the very underrated function in the entire business because of its affordability. My intent over is to add value to make it as affordable to the people actually who needs it the most. Thank you, and thanks for watching this, and please to share this video to whom it is actually required. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video.